140. There you go. This is cruising in the drone range of about 3,000 RPMs. And to get an idea of how loud this is, I'm going to turn my radio on and I'm going to turn the volume up to 10. At 3,000 RPMs right now in the primary drone range for the Invidia exhaust system. As you can see right now, it's actually not that loud, but when you push the pedal in, it gets very loud. You have a nice loud drone. But I just let off the pedal now and it got quiet again. So it's very controllable by the throttle. And now I'm going to turn on the volume to 10 just like I did in the last time so you can get an idea of what it's like. Watch it. Alright, this is volume at 10 right now. I'm going to show you neutral throttle position like it is right now. And now this is when you push it in. That's how loud the drone is.
Gonna be loud as hell. Holy shit. Wait till he revs it. 100. 102 decibels at idle. That's awesome.